welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Pragmata game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just have to open PS5 screen and then click on PlayStation button, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, first go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Select console storage and then tap on delete option. Next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Pragmata and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings in your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software update and settings. After that, select update system software and finally select update using internet option. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. First go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup, network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset option under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Pragmata game. For that, highlight Pragmata on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Pragmata again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support, link already in the description. They will better guide you the solution and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.